We are in sunny Mallorca. In fact, we're in Cala d'Or, where our yard is behind the camera person, which is today is Georgia, my daughter Georgia. So this year we've got another Princess F55. Today we're going to do a drag race. And we have managed to find another Princess F55 and we are going to race them head to head out in the sea. We've also got another camera boat, which is a Sea Ray we just supplied to a customer. We've got twin 900s on this, we've got twin 900s on that. We're full of fuel, we're full of people, we're full of toys, we're full of excitement, and we're gonna race these two 30-ton machines flat out at sea. So let's go. So we've just rafted up against the other 55. So you can see they're kissing here. Easy peasy.
How far apart?
I reckon 2 of these apart. No, because I know it's more impressive, but we don't want to crash. It could be a £3 million crash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, press on the remote!
That's why I said sit on them. Yeah, go down, they'll pick them
Oh,
up.
we should have got rid of the cushions.
Oh, look at her! How did that happen?
Right, cushion is on board.
Max has got the other ones pinned down.
Attempt number 1 was a fail.
Right, Brad, we'll do it again. You come through the middle, alright? 3,
Hold on!
2, 1, go! 1900 horsepower each, 30 tons each. Let's go! The queue going in the marina, Georgia, look.
I counted 9 boats.
9 boats in the queue. It's rush hour.
Rush hour. Best sandwich ever.
Best sandwich ever. So good.
So are you doing a YouTube video of your trip this year?
Yeah.
Huh?
You've just said that in the video, mate.
Do you want to be in the video?
Oh God.
Well, let's